Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and as you can see I'm at Crystal Cottage and out in our garden here in the area called Joakim's Corner, where I am going to be planting out some jumbo bamboos today. And it's drizzly and rainy, so I won't be able to have the camera here outside with me, so I am going to show you the area that I've been working on. I've already clipped back the brown bushes and taken up many roots so that I can get on with the planting. And yeah, I hope you enjoy what you see and the transformation of Joakim's Corner. So now we're going into the area that I've cleared out already earlier today. I cut back the bushes in this aisle you can see here. So it's all cleared out and I took as many roots out as I could. So you can see the bamboos that I'm going to be planting in a line here in front of this area, which is where I'm going to be planting more of those Thuja Brabant you can see at the end here in this same area. So in front of those there'll be a lovely wall of bamboo that we'll be able to see from the window. Then we'll have a layer of Thuja Brabant, and then behind that in the summer all of this bush here will turn green, but we won't have to look at it all year round. It will be an extra thick layer from the outside towards the road. So this is absolutely perfect. And there's all the bamboos that I am going to be putting into the ground in a moment here. And these are my Cunningham's white rhododendron that I planted in the last video and didn't have time to plant out these bamboos at the same time. But now I'm going to get to doing that. So now I'm going to take you in for a closer look so you can see how these beautiful jumbo bamboos look in a line or in a semicircle actually, and the space that I have behind for planting Thuja Brabant next spring. I'll have 2 to 3 meter high Thuja Brabants behind to give a beautiful green backdrop, and all of this area is just going to be green all year. I can't wait for that to happen. So let's go in for a closer look. They're going to grow up and look so nice around my little Buddha figure here. Look at him, isn't he cute? And then there they are. Now these Fargesia murielae jumbo bamboos can get to 3 meters or so high. So they're going to be a wonderful wall of bamboo here, giving us wintergreen interest all year. Now I just want to show you around the back so you can see that I still have this huge alleyway here ready for planting the Thuja Brabant bushes next spring. I'm going to be ordering 2 to 3 meter high Thuja Brabant to go here. A perfect backdrop, just like those over there. And if you look here, you can see the combination of that darker green with the Thuja Brabant and these beautiful Fargesia murielae jumbo bamboos that have a much lighter yellowy kind of colour. They're going to be absolutely beautiful together. So there we have it. And here on the ground, I already have a drip line. I had that for the Thujas that are all the way around the rest of the garden over here that will, as I say, extend on here because look, see, if you see this backdrop, it feels like we're already in spring or still in the summer. All of this area. And that is what I want to extend around here where it just looks like autumn and winter for around 8 months of the year. So this area is just coming on so well now. I'm really pleased with it all. And there's our beautiful Crystal Cottage. So these are the windows I'm talking about. So during the winter, we want to see green like this all year round and not those brown bushes. Look here, it just looks so vibrant and beautiful when there's green, doesn't it? So it's so easy to extend that out and create that here in the middle as well. As both sides are finished, just need this middle part. So all that's left for me to say now is thank you very much for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.